Hi, I'm John, and today we have an O-scale model from Atlas, and the box is too big to hold. So we're going to go to the workbench outside and take a look. All right, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an O-scale articulated auto carrier from Atlas. This comes in both 2-rail and 3-rail, and if you look on their website, you'll find several different road names, and each one has one road number that I saw. The 3-rail version of this model goes for $154.95, and the 2-rail version goes for $159.95. Now keep in mind these are manufacturers' suggested retail prices, so if you shop around, you'll find it for less. The minimum diameter curve listed for the 3-rail version is 42 inches, and the minimum radius curve listed for the 2-rail version is 36 inches. Your best bet, as always, is to go to the Atlas website and see if they have the ones you're looking for. The model comes in a big box like this, and it's in pieces. You'll notice there are two sides to the car, and then on the bottom left there, that's the diaphragm. On the top right, there's a little compartment that has screws that allow you to screw the diaphragm to the car bodies. Well, don't worry, it comes with full instructions that not only tell you how to put it together, but also tell you how to unpack it. Because that's the other challenge, getting it out of the box and having all of the packing materials safely removed without breaking anything. So be careful unpacking it if you get one, and follow the directions very carefully, because if you don't, it won't work right. For the purposes of this spotlight, it doesn't really matter which screw holes I use, so I'm just screwing these together using the middle holes. The paint on the model is applied evenly, and all the pad printing, such as the stripe and logo details, as well as the reporting marks and other information on the side of the car, are done exceptionally well. You'll also notice from this angle that there's some brake detail visible from under the car body, so we'll take a better look at that later. The brake end has ratchet detail here on the side, and all of the ladder rungs are separately applied wire grabs. The doors on the model can be opened. Just be careful when you undo the latch and be careful when you open them. And then you can see inside there's a lot of space in there to load this thing with O-scale vehicles. Looking at the bottom of the model, you can see a lot of separately applied brake detail, including reservoirs and valves and pipelines and all kinds of cool stuff. And it's present on both ends of the car, so there's no shortage of brake detail. And like I was saying a minute ago, you can see it from certain viewing angles as it rolls down the track. This is a very impressive model that a lot of O-scalers will be excited to have on their layouts. I do have to say though, due to the sheer size and weight and cumbersome nature of handling it, I would strongly recommend you put it on your layout and just leave it there, because trying to transport this thing around would be very difficult. Anyway, that's it this time. I'll see you next time.